far and how fast. That piece of shrimp's getting down there, or just might not be. Boy, it's been a long time since I made a video, but by God, I'm gonna try today. And I got a lot of comments saying, hey Joe, man, we missed the old school kayak fishing videos. So, special treat for you guys today that have been wanting that. We're doing an old school kayak fishing video. I want to have the GoPro up either on my head or mounted to me, but we're out here at Nassauville. We got the kayak in the back of the truck, and we're gonna go flip some shrimp underneath some docks. I'm just waiting for Bubba to get here. It's not gonna be a long trip. His like mid-July, end of July, whatever, something like that, probably mid-July. Either way, it is too hot to be out here all day long in Florida, so this is going to be a pretty quick morning trip. That's the reason I'm out here so early. Going to leave, work this row of docks down through here, just flipping a shrimp underneath there, hoping we get some mangroves. I only got 2 rods, so I hope I don't mess any of them up. And I'm going to stop rambling. We're going to get this kayak launched in the water, and hopefully we can get some fish. All right, so we're starting, way we're starting out with so far, a little spinner rod, 20-pound test fluorocarbon, going to a little 3/32 snapper jig with half a shrimp on there. We're just gonna flick that underneath these docks, around these pylons and everything else, and just see if we can't get a snapper. Like I said, we're fishing the outgoing tide. I don't know how deep it is around these docks yet, but the water temperature is like 87 degrees. That is hot. So let's see if we can start getting some fish. I don't know how far and how fast that piece of shrimp's getting down there, or just might not be anything on this dock. I would think there would be. God, there's so much bait behind this damn. There's something. Catfish. God, man, we getting everything but. There's something with some shoulders on it. A huge pinfish. Well, I'm getting everything but. Man, where the heck's all the cooler fish? Sound like he just got something. Let out the whoop. He was over in that creek getting actual live bait. Uh-oh, we on. Croaker. I reckon. Later on, if I keep getting them, then turn them into cut bait for snapper. I don't know what we got. Another croaker. So at least if they's about a pound and a half, I wouldn't mind it. I don't know when the hell the big ones come in. That's what it feels like you're doing that bait down there, dude. Burr, burr. Well, we finally came up with something. These snapper are right on the rocks. So you gotta take a float. And I mean, like you can see from Bubba, he's a foot off the rocks, and you can see that that's where they're hitting it. You really gotta let them take it too. You gotta weed through the little ones, but they're here. So underneath the tree, and then just let the cork soak. Like that. Ooh, that's a good one. Get me out of them rocks. Maybe not. He fought real hard though. They fight hard. Like I said, guys, you just gotta weed through them. They're still pretty fish. At least when I do get them hooked, they're hooked pretty good.
Yeah, everyone are hooked. In there.
Jump, jump, jump. One good advantage of a kayak, getting back up in here. There goes the party boat. Waypoint created. I'm hung up, my dude. I don't know if I'll lose the cork too or not. Looks like I might just have to go get it. That sucks. Well, that's the haul we got for today. Wish we could have got 2 more keepers and then we had a limit. But the tide stopped on me by the time we figured out how to start catching these guys. So like always, when it's summertime, the GoPro kept dying because it was getting so hot out here in Florida. God, I cannot wait until it starts getting like November, December time frame, starts cooling down again. But the way we started catching them, we figured them out, is if you can find a spot where you have the dock and the rocks fairly close to each other and there's current going through there, you just take a shrimp on a cork and let it float through there, and they were smacking it every time. You had to weed through a lot of little ones. That's how many like keeper size we ended up. I got 3, Bubba got 3. Like I said, if the current was going a little bit longer, that once we figured out how to catch them, we probably could have got a limit. Because I know it was probably a short video, wasn't that great, probably not one of my better ones, but I hope it was at least entertaining for you guys. And leave me a comment down below. Let me know who's still hanging around watching these videos. We'll see you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'm Joe with Dinsmore Outdoors. Remember, we do more in Dinsmore. Y'all take care. That little weight might be too light, so let's try a knocker rig.